Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and know the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the XY plane, take the line command, make a rough sketch first, okay, like this, here and straight line. Now escape. Go to dimension, define this will be of 8 mm and define this bottom of 18 mm. Okay, now define this from center. This will be at 34.5 and this straight will be of 15 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and here select this point. Now here go to offset, or first we will define the radius. Go to fillet, take a radius of 5 mm, select this corner. Now take a radius of 10 mm, select this corner, exit. Now here go to offset, select this complete profile one by one, go to inside profile, click here, enter, and here we will take offset of 2 mm. Okay, now you can see the profile. Now here go to line command and we will make the joining profile here and here as well a joining profile. Now escape. Go to finish sketch, take here revolve, go to axis and select this as axis of rotation and press OK. Okay. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Now here we are going to make the slot cut. So from here we are going to go to rectangle and we are going to take a center point arc slot. Select this point, make the slot here. Okay, go to dimension, define this radius as 22.5, define this bottom radius as 17.5. okay, and this radius as 2.5. this will automatically become. Now select this point, define the total of 16 mm. Now go to vertical constraint, select this center point of slot and select the center. Okay, now here we'll go to circular pattern, select this complete profile, go to axis and select this center point. Now it will show you the number of slots which will be made at 360 degree. We'll take a count of 5. Okay, and press OK. Now finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, take haircut and press OK. Go to top view, you can see this is a through cut profile. Go to home, rotate, select this bottom face now, go to create sketch and here we'll rotate it 2 times to see the bottom straight. Go to circle command, from the center point make here a circle of diameter 73 and make one more circle of diameter 84. Now escape. Now select this circle, make it construction. Okay, go to circle command and make one circle here of diameter 7.5. go to horizontal constraint, select this point and here select this point. Now go to line command and make a joining line here, enter and make one more line from this circle. Okay, and enter. Now go to arc command, take 3-point arc and join these 2 lines. Okay, go to the center point, select this point and select this point. Go to tangent constraint, select this and select this. This is already tangent. Go to dimension, define this width of 14 mm. Okay. Now I want a pattern of this, so I'll go to circle pattern once again. Select this complete profile, select this line, go to axis, and here select this as the profile for axis of rotation and take here a count of 4. Okay, and press OK. Now take here trim command, trim this profile, trim this profile, trim this and trim this. Go to dimension, define the dimension here as 36.5. okay, or you can just click here and right click, go to dimension and define the diameter. You can see 73 will be restored. Okay, escape. Now finish sketch, or first select this inner profile, click on project geometry. So this extrude will come up to this profile. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile and here flip the direction. Take here distance of 2.5. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Home. Now we want to make a hook profile over this. To lift this part, go to origin and select here XY plane, go to create sketch and here go to the arc command, take center point arc, select this center point and make one arc profile. Okay, go to dimension, define here radius of 5 mm and finish. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry, project this point, take the circle and from this point make a circle of dia 3.5 and finish sketch. Take here sweep command. This profile has been selected. For path, click here and select this path. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, so this will be the part. Now we will define the appearance. We will take here the cyan color. Okay, so this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.